Some case fans look amazing until your PC starts overheating. Others are whisper quiet, but barely move enough air to cool your system. So, which case fans are actually worth buying in 2026? I researched dozens of the best options and narrowed them down to 5 that deliver the best mix of airflow, noise, performance, and value. Let's get into it. First up is the Noctua A12 G2. If you want the best all-around 120mm case fan, this is the one to beat. Built with Noctua's Sterox liquid crystal polymer blades and an incredibly tight blade clearance, it delivers outstanding airflow while staying impressively quiet. It performs just as well in a case as it does on CPU coolers and radiators, making it one of the most versatile fans you can buy. It's available in the classic brown color or the all-black Chromax edition for around $35. Next is the Arctic P12 Pro Reverse. If you're building on a budget but still want excellent cooling, this fan is hard to beat. Its reverse blade design is perfect for modern glass panel cases, while its high static pressure easily pushes air through radiators and dust filters. PWM control allows speeds up to 3,000 revolutions per minute, and at very low loads, the fan can even stop completely for silent operation. At roughly $10, it's one of the best value case fans available. For maximum performance, the Phanteks T30 takes the crown. Unlike standard 25mm fans, it uses a thicker 30mm frame that allows larger blades to generate more airflow and static pressure. Built with premium liquid crystal polymer and a powerful 3-phase motor, it's designed for enthusiasts who want every degree of cooling possible. Whether you're running a high-end gaming PC or a custom water-cooled system, the T30 is an outstanding performer at around $40. If you want quiet cooling with beautiful RGB lighting, check out the Be Quiet Lightwings LX. It combines smooth ARGB lighting with the silent operation the brand is known for. 7 optimized fan blades provide strong airflow while keeping noise levels low, and the built-in daisy chain support makes cable management much cleaner. At around $20, it's a fantastic choice for anyone building a clean, quiet RGB setup. Finally, we have the Lian UNI Fan SL Infinity Wireless. This is one of the most advanced RGB case fans on the market. The signature infinity mirror lighting looks incredible, while 3 independently controlled lighting zones let you create stunning effects. Its biggest feature is the wireless control system, which dramatically reduces cable clutter while managing both lighting and fan speeds. Performance is excellent too, with speeds up to 2,300 revolutions per minute and nearly 70 cubic feet per minute of airflow. At around $32, it's the ultimate premium RGB fan for showcase builds. Before we reveal the winner, let me know in the comments, which case fan are you running in your PC right now? Now it's time for the honest score. Arctic P12 Pro Reverse, 9.2 out of 10. Incredible value for money with strong cooling performance that punches well above its price. Be Quiet Lightwings LX, 9.3 out of 10. A fantastic mix of quiet operation, attractive RGB lighting, and dependable airflow. Lian Infinity Wireless, 9.5 out of 10. Premium wireless design, stunning infinity mirror lighting, and excellent overall performance. Phanteks T30, 9.7 out of 10. One of the most powerful case fans available, delivering exceptional airflow for high-performance systems. Noctua A12 G2, 9.9 out of 10. The benchmark for premium case fans, combining industry-leading cooling, ultra-low noise, and legendary reliability. If this video helped you find the right case fan for your next PC build, consider subscribing to Honest Review Hub. I review the latest PC hardware, gaming gear, and creator tech to help you spend your money wisely. You'll also find links to every fan featured in this video in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.